back in the day,
I never knew any
had it
Somalis.
hard.
They were all Kenyans, apparently. This is the thing, right?
Yeah.
Every Somali I met when I was a child was Kenyan.
It was hard.
And then suddenly, a few years later,
They're Somali.
bare Somalis around. And they were proud to be in
The
Somali.
Yemenis also became Somali as well. Innit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Half
so
Yemen,
yeah.
half
It's hard.
Somali.
Yeah, being a Somali back in the day was difficult, man. I think we were getting bad. There was beef. Like you being a Somali, there was a problem.
Yeah.
Because there was an element of like, I think it was also, there's a lot of, we don't call it racism, but we were like the new blacks, but at the same time, we weren't black.
Yeah. You had
That
white
makes
people
sense.
on your case, but black people were on your case as well. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
So it was almost like it was better for them to say I'm Kenyan because it was more like, it was
African,
like,
yeah.
you know
I
what?
don't know.
All right, cool. But Somalis,
Yeah.
never heard of you guys.
Yeah. Because what's fascinating, like, like the Nigerians and the Ghanaians, and they can actually like the Jamaicans, because the Jamaicans were the first blacks in the UK. If a Ghanaian and Nigerian, they kind of like, you can probably pass it. I know a lot of people I thought they were Nigerian back in the day, but I thought they were Jamaican, but they were Nigerian. And,
I know what you mean.
you know what I mean? Then the cultures are quite not similar, but because obviously
The
Somalis
contrast is as big as
Yeah, the
Somali
contrast, yeah,
to
exactly.
But not only that,
to
I
West
think like
Africa.
they were trying to copy the Jamaicans because
I
they
don't
were
know.
more
I don't
popular.
wanna,
No,
I don't want to say that, but I'm trying to say is that, for
Yeah, yeah,
example,
yeah.
that Somalis were Muslim. They
Yeah.
were black and they were Muslim as well, and it was quite bait. Like
It was bait. It was bait.
Like,
Yeah,
mums
yeah,
wearing
yeah.
hijab.
Yeah. Aunties are wearing
Like,
the
it's
full
bait,
yeah.
abaya, the
full
khimar,
on,
everything.
yeah. And not only that,
Yeah,
we're
yeah.
unapologetically Muslim as well.
Yeah.
Like,
So
all
that
of
year
us put
there-
on-
Whereas Nigerian and Ghanaian Muslims, it's very bad of us, but sometimes we don't actually recognize. Not recognize. Sorry. Sometimes, astaghfirullah, definitely not recognize. But sometimes we don't actually know that they're Muslim until they tell us. Or like, what's your name? My name is I don't know. My name is Omar or Rahim or Muhammad. I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
really? Oh, wait, you're Muslim. You know what I mean? Whereas Somali is like 1,000,000%
It's like a
Muslim
stamp on you,
because
yeah.
you just look Somali.
One
There's
time,
a
yeah.
Somali look.
That's
No
it.
matter where you go in the world, you know this guy is Somali.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So go